Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Alexa voice assistant on this watch. Before we start, if you want to enable the Alexa voice assistant on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. And on this page, you should see a list of my devices. And on this list, you should see Amazfit GTR 4. Tap on it to select it. And here, scroll down, find the category or option called App Settings. And under the App Settings, you should see, you should see the Amazon Alexa. Tap on the Amazon Alexa icon, tap on Agree, and it should bring you to this window or this page. On this page, if you want to enable the Alexa voice assistant, you need to basically authorize the Zepp application to be able to use the Alexa. To do it, you need to log in into an Amazon account. So tap on Login into Amazon. It will redirect you to the login page. Tap on Get Started, continue setup, and now we need to log in into Amazon account. So I'm gonna tap right here, enter email and password. Then tap on Sign In. Oh, must have entered the password wrong, so give me a second. Okay, this time it worked. So after you log in, you will see this page. And basically what you need to do is to allow the Zepp application to access the Alexa. So tap on Allow. And once you allow it, you will see this page. And on this page, you will see Talk to Alexa In. And here you can tap on this window and check the language, or rather select the language you would like to use. I'm gonna use the English one, but you can select the language from this list. And once you're done, tap on OK. And the Alexa should be enabled on your watch. So you can press and hold the crown button to activate the Alexa on your watch. Press and hold the crown button by default. What's the weather like?
I'm not sure where you are. For future reference, you can enter your address in the device settings in your Alexa app. For now, weather for what city?
Tell me a joke.
Why are monkeys great at sports? They're born champions.
Okay, and once you're done using the Alexa, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. So that's how you enable the Alexa. To disable it, you need to open the app again, the Zepp app, tap on Profile, tap on Amazfit GTR 4, tap on Amazon Alexa right here, then tap on Exit button, and basically it will log you out and disable the Alexa. So now when you try to activate it, it will tell you that you need to authorize it first, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you enable and disable the Alexa voice assistant on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.